Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Welcome to another video on signal and system analysis. And in this video, I'm going to show you the solution to example number 4 from chapter 1 of our handout for this course. Okay, so in this question, we are asked to determine the total energy of the rectangular pulse, okay, given in the question like this. Okay, right, so I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem, okay, to get this answer. Alright, so if you still remember in class and even in your handout, okay, the equation to find energy, okay, of a given signal is equals to this equation, okay, which is an integration formula. So in this case, we have this rectangular pulse. Okay, so let's fill in the equation. So first we need the limit, right? So if we zoom in, okay, let me just enlarge this a little bit. Okay, you can see that over here. Okay, so this point over here, from this point downwards, the value of the signal or the amplitude of that signal is 0. Okay, so and from this point onwards, again the amplitude of the signal is 0. So I mean this point and this point is our limit, okay, for the integration. So if we look at, okay, the width of this rectangle is T1. Okay, and we can see that this 0 point here is actually in the middle of the rectangle. So therefore we know that this point over here and this point is on the negative side because it's smaller than 0. So we know that this one will be minus T1 over 2, right? Because the width of the rectangle here is T1 and this one is the middle, so therefore this part over here must be half of T1. Similarly, this one will be T1 over 2 and it's positive value because it's more than 0. Okay, so now we know the limit for the integration, which is minus T1 over 2 and T1 over 2. Now this part will be the amplitude, or rather the signal. Okay, so in this case our signal is a rectangular pulse with an amplitude of A, right? So this one will be A square dt. Now E equals to, now this part over here, this one is simply a constant value of A, so therefore we can take it out. So we will have A square, now integration from minus T1 over 2 for T1 over 2 dt. Okay, so if we integrate that, we'll get A square, this one will be T, and the limit is T1 over 2 minus T1 over 2. Okay, so now we substitute the limit into T, so we will get E. Okay, I believe you know how to solve this from your basic mathematics class. So this one T1 over 2 minus of minus, so it become positive or plus T1 over 2. So here A square 2 T1 over 2, so they cancel each other, so at the end you have E. Okay, E equals to A square T1, don't forget the unit joule because it's energy. Okay, so this is the energy for this rectangular pulse. Okay, so it's matched the given solution in your handout for this rectangular pulse, okay, given over here. Right, so with that I end the video over here. I see you in another video for another example. Thank you.